Hello, savvy viewers. Welcome to a captivating episode of our channel, where we dive deep into the world of credit repair unleashed, exploring merchant accounts for financial recovery. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with valuable insights. In today's fast-paced digital age, having a healthy credit score is more crucial than ever. Payment processing for high-risk industries. Payment processing is the backbone of any successful business, ensuring smooth transactions and customer satisfaction. High-risk industries like credit repair and CBD need specialized solutions to cater to their unique needs. Merchant accounts, the key to financial recovery. These accounts enable businesses to securely and efficiently accept credit card payments. A high-risk merchant account provides the infrastructure for seamless transactions, risk mitigation, and compliance with industry standards. Navigating high-risk merchant processing. Businesses in credit repair, CBD, and other high-risk domains require payment processing partners with expertise in their specific fields. A trustworthy high-risk payment gateway is essential for secure online transactions, giving businesses the confidence to accept credit cards without worries. E-commerce payment processing solutions. Especially for credit repair and CBD businesses, offering online payment options is vital for reaching a broader customer base. Tailored e-commerce payment gateways and merchant accounts for high-risk industries open doors to growth and recovery. Empowering credit repair through payment processing. Accepting credit cards for credit repair services requires a merchant account that comprehends the field's nuances. A credit repair merchant account and payment gateway provide the tools for rebuilding credit scores and financial futures. CBD merchant accounts, navigating complexities. CBD merchant accounts and payment services cater to the industry-specific demands, enabling CBD businesses to accept credit card payments with confidence. The power of TouchSuite merchant processing services. With expertise in high-risk payment processing, e-commerce gateways, and credit repair merchant accounts, TouchSuite empowers businesses to embrace electronic payments and propel financial recovery. As we wrap up this insightful journey, we encourage you to hit the subscribe button to stay connected. For those ready to take action, visit TouchSuite's website, the go-to provider for payment solutions trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide. Remember, the right payment processing partner is your ticket to success. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep striving for financial greatness.